Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your earbuds LG TONE Free on your iPhone. And basically we have a few options how to check it. The first one, we can create a widget. So press and hold at empty space. Then click Editor Plus at the left top and add widget. Now scroll down and you need to find batteries. And right here we have it, click on it, and here's 3 presets. Select the best one for you and click Add Widget. And you can check a battery percentages right here anytime, but make sure that your earbuds is turned on and connected to your phone. But right here we have like a general battery level. And we can use an application, this is the second method, to check it for the earbuds, for the left and right earbuds. So open LG TONE Free application and you need to add these earbuds to the application. If you don't know how to install and set up or how to add it to the application, you can check a video at this channel. Now, right here we have battery percentages. This is 100% because it's the same battery level on both of these earbuds. And if you want to check charging case battery level, you need to put or one of your earbuds to the charging case or both of them. So I'm just put it, and now we should check it for the battery, for the charging case. But here we have it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.